I'm Scott and I work in order entry. Because we're right at the beginning of the process, we need to know all the variables, what works with what. What sets Phonak ITEs apart is the level and the quality of the technology that we're able to put into them. Also the care and attention that's put into making a top-class quality product. The improvement that they're having on people's lives and their quality of life is amazing.
I'm Scott. My role is RSM team leader. We're represented with the 3D impression, and we've then got to place the components in the optimum position for both performance and cosmetics. I think Phonak ITEs are amazing because you're getting the best possible technology packed inside the most personal cosmetic shell possible. Every single impression we get, every single order that comes through is a chance for us to change someone's life.
I'm Scott Myler and I do kit prep. Dexterity is a big part of my job. You tend to have a good eye for detail really. Some of the wires are as small as a human hair. There only has to be out a millimetre on solder or a wire just slightly out of place and it goes straight back through the line. The processes to get the work done are followed to the letter every single time.
My name is Delroy Thomas. Most people just call me Del for short. The strength of Phonak is within our software, the technology, and the training that we provide. The 3D printing is all about accuracy. To the hearing aid industry as a whole, speed is of essence. 3D printing reduces the time by about 70% versus the manual process. 3D machines today, there are quite a few on the market, and the technology was used in purely high-tech industries.
I'm Ray Ewan. Closers position all the components in the hearing aid, making sure everything is positioned correctly and corresponds with the 3D modelling. Make sure it closes properly and everything functions well. It gives you a good feeling to know that you are going to do this for someone. This aid that you're working on is going to make someone who can't hear.
My name's Dion Badley and I'm the team leader of the QC department. The QC department does a full listening visual check of the hearing instrument. To be honest, when I came here I didn't know a single thing about hearing instruments. The way that they can enhance their life, it's not just a job, is it? We're just striving to make somebody's life better. Every time I pick an order up for a patient, you know, I would think that that could be my nan, my mum, and you treat them all the same. So from a quality aspect, that's what I ask everybody to look for.
I use ITEs myself. There were so many things that I didn't know that made a noise, and all of a sudden with the hearing aids I can hear it. Tissue paper, for example, rustles. My shoe squeaked, I didn't know they did that. You go outside, birds singing. At first they felt like they were sat on my shoulder. It was the noise was that much different. I have rediscovered a lot of sounds that I had forgotten and discovered new sounds that I never knew existed.